Question number 1. Which of the following bones forms the birth canal? Correct option is B. Pelvis bone. Question number 2. Which reflex indicates neurological integrity? Correct option is A. Moro reflex. Question number 3. Which newborn has highest risk of hypothermia? Correct option is C. Preterm baby. Question number 4. What hormone maintains pregnancy in the first trimester? Correct option is D. Progesterone. Question number 5. Which trimester has maximum nausea? Correct option is A. First trimester. Question number 6. Which method is used to monitor labor progress? Correct option is C. Photograph. Question number 7. Which supplement prevents anemia in pregnancy? Correct option is B. Iron. Question number 8. What is the normal head circumference at birth? Correct option is C. 34 centimeter. Question number 9. What is the color of amniotic fluid normally? Correct option is A. Clear. Question number 10. Which position prevents aspiration in newborn? Correct option is D. Side lying. Question number 11. What is the normal pulse rate in pregnancy? Correct option is C. 80 to 90 per minute. Question number 12. Which pelvis type is ideal for normal delivery? Correct option is B. Gynecoid. Question number 13. Which drug prevents postpartum hemorrhage? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 14. Which of the following condition needs reverse isolation? Correct option is D. Neutropenia. Question number 15. What is the first priority in any emergency situation? Correct option is A. Airway. Question number 16. Which of the medication causes photosensitivity? Correct option is B. Tetracycline. Question number 17. Why is aspirin contraindicated in children with viral fever? Correct option is C. Reye's syndrome. Question number 18. Which condition causes barging cough in children? Correct option is A. Cough. Question number 19. Which prevention level includes rehabilitation? Correct option is C. Tertiary. Question number 20. Which sign indicates pregnancy hypertension? Correct option is B. Proteinuria. Question number 21. Which indicator measures maternal health? Correct option is B. MMR. Question number 22. What is the main role of community health nurse? Correct option is D. Health promotion. Question number 23. Which disease is spread by contaminated water? Correct option is C. Cholera. Question number 24. Which leadership style is best in emergency? Correct option is A. Autocratic. Question number 25. Which medication requires monitoring if of INR value? Correct option is C. Warfarin. Question number 26. Which lab value is most critical and to monitor in renal failure? Correct option is B. Potassium. Question number 27. Which sign indicates respiratory distress in neonate? Correct option is D. Grunting. Question number 28. Which disease is prevented by clean water supply? Correct option is C. Typhoid. Question number 29. Which leadership style encourage staff participation? Correct option is B. Democratic. Question number 30. Which factor most influence oxygen delivery to tissue? Correct option is C. Hemoglobin level. Question number 31. Where is liquid manure mainly used? Correct option is A. Continental ferret. Question number 32. What causes linea nigra during pregnancy? Correct option is C. Melanin. Question number 33. How much folic acid is recommended daily in pregnancy? Correct option is C. 400 microgram. Question number 34. When does engagement occur in Fermi gravida? Correct option is A. Before labor. Question number 35. Which skull bone is most important in labor? Correct option is C. Parietal bone. Question number 36. What is the cardinal moment following engagement? Correct option is B. Flexion. Question number 37. Which complication is most common in prolonged labor? Correct option is B. Infection. Question number 38. Why is vaginal examination limited during labor? Correct option is D. Due to risk of infection. Question number 39. When does transitional circulation closed in newborn? Correct option is A. At birth. Question number 40. Why maternal education is important in midwifery care? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 41. Which population is at highest risk of communicable disease? Correct option is B, children. Question number 42. Which action prevents spread of infection in the community? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 43. Which artery is checked during adult CPR? Correct option is C, carotid. Question number 44. Which symptom indicates airway obstruction in adult? Correct option is A, stridor. Question number 45. Why is informed consent important before procedures? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 46. Which electrolyte imbalance causes muscle cramps? Correct option is B, hypokalemia. Question number 47. What is the normal heart rate of a newborn? Correct option is C, 120 to 160 beats per minute. Question number 48. Which hormone stimulates milk let down reflex? Correct option is A, oxytocin. Question number 49. Which nursing intervention is first for a patient with sudden hypotension? Correct option is B, IV fluids. Question number 50. What is the normal adult oxygen saturation? Correct option is C, 95 to 100%. Question number 51. Which is the inferiority nursing assessment for chest pain? Correct option is C, ECG. Question number 52. Which site is preferred for subcutaneous injection? Correct option is A, abdomen. Question number 53. Which electrolyte imbalance causes cardiac arrhythmias? Correct option is A, hyperkalemia. Question number 54. Which symptom is common in anxiety disorder? Correct option is D, rapid heartbeat. Question number 55. Which nutritional deficiency causes goiter? Correct option is B, iodine. Question number 56. When does uterus return to pelvic cavity after delivery? Correct option is C, 10 days. Question number 57. Which complication is most common in early puriform? Correct option is A, PPH. Question number 58. When is fetal heart sound first heard by Doppler? Correct option is C, 10 weeks. Question number 59. Why is iron supplementation advised in pregnancy? Correct option is B. Prevent anemia. Question number 60. What is the normal fetal heart rate during labor? Correct option is C. 120 to 160 breaths per minute. Question number 61. Which pelvic plane contains the ischial spine? Correct option is D. Mid pelvis. Question number 62. Which position increases pelvic outlet diameter during labor? Correct option is C. Squatting. Question number 63. Which uterine muscle layer is responsible for hemostasis? Correct option is A. Oblique. Question number 64. Why does uterus remain firm after delivery? Correct option is B. Oxytocin release. Question number 65. What is the normal increase in blood volume during pregnancy? Correct option is C. 30 to 50%. Question number 66. Which position reduce vena cava compression during labor? Correct option is D. Left lateral. Question number 67. Why is most common complication of breast a breech delivery? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 68. When is newborn considered low birth weight? Correct option is B. Less than 2.5 kilogram. Question number 69. Which condition delay uterine involution? Correct option is A. Infection. Question number 70. Which factor increases the risk of peripheral infection? Correct option is B. Prolonged labor. Question number 71. Where is progesterone primarily metabolized? Correct option is B. Liver. Question number 72. Which condition causes high blood pressure during pregnancy? Correct option is C. Preeclampsia. Question number 73. Which of the following disease affects the lungs primarily? Correct option is A. Pneumonia. Question number 74. Which position is best for a patient with dyspnea? Correct option is B. Fowler's position. Question number 75. Which condition causes chest pain due to heart ischemia? Correct option is D. Angina pectoris. Question number 76. What is the antidote for morphine overdose? Correct option is B. Naloxone. Question number 77. Which electrolyte is essential for enzyme activation? Correct option is B. Magnesium. Question number 78. Which nutrient is primary energy source for brain? Correct option is C. Glucose.
Question number 79. Which electrolyte imbalance causes paresthesia? Correct option is a hypocalcemia. Question number 80. Why does anemia causes shortness of breath? Correct option is B. Heart failure.
Question number 81. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? Correct option is C. 37 degrees centigrade. Question number 82. Hand washing is most effective method to prevent. Correct option is B. Infection. Question number 83. Which pulside is used during CPR in adults? Correct option is C. Carotid pulse. Question number 84. Which artery is used to measure pulse in infants? Correct option is B. Brachial artery. Question number 86. Which method is most effective for sterilization? Correct option is B. Autoclaving. Question number 87. Which infection controls method destroyed all microorganisms? Correct option is B. Sterilization. Question number 88. Which pulse is used in unconscious patients? Correct option is B. C. Carotid pulse. Question number 89. What is the normal oxygen saturation in healthy adults? Correct option is C. 95 to 100%. Question number 90. Which term describes high body temperature? Correct option is D. Hyperthermia. Question number 91. Which instrument is used to measure oxygen saturation? Correct option is B. Pulse oximeter. Question number 92. Which term describe difficult breathing while laying flat? Correct option is A. Orthopnea. Question number 92. Which position is best for unconscious patients? Correct option is D. Lateral position. Question number 93. Which instrument is used to monitor fetal heart rate? Correct option is B. Petoscope. Question number 94. Which of the following disease causes Koplik spots? Correct option is C. Measles. Question number 95. Which term refers to deficiency of oxygen in tissues? Correct option is A. Hypoxia. Question number 96. Which test measures blood sugar level? Correct option is A. RBS test. Question number 97. Which disease causes thyroid gland swelling? Correct option is B. Mumps. Question number 98. Which disease causes red rash and fever in children? Correct option is A. Measles. Question number 90. Which test is used to diagnose typhoid fever? Correct option is B. Vidal test. Question number 100. Which term refers to painful urination? Correct option is B. Dysuria.